Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the lane change confirmation in your Tesla. Okay, so first things first, guys, while your vehicle is in park, make sure it is in park. I am literally empty. Most of the Tesla settings you can only do when it's parked. So, what you want to do first is to tap on the controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, okay? Tap on that, and then you want to navigate to autopilot settings. Okay, just scroll down and select autopilot from the menu options. And then, guys, what you want to do is go to navigate on autopilot, and then you want to look for the lane change confirmation option. All you want to do is, guys, just toggle it on. Okay, just toggle it on, and this will prompt you to confirm lane changes when using autopilot, which is going to add you an extra layer of security, guys. And that's it, guys. You are now all set to drive with a peace of mind. Hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys. Until next time, see you in the next one.